In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage workload in Clickup so you can clearly see your team's capacity and avoid overload. Start by opening your Clickup workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your projects, tasks, and team activity live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. Next, select the project you want to analyze. This step is important because workload visibility works best when you focus on a specific project or team. Click into that project to continue. Now, look at the top of your screen where you see different views like list, board, and calendar. Click on View, then choose Workload. This is where everything comes together. The workload view gives you a clear visual breakdown of each team member's tasks, deadlines, and estimated effort. You'll see bars representing how busy each person is across different days. If someone has too many tasks stacked up, you'll instantly spot it. And if someone has extra capacity, you'll see that too. You can hover over tasks to check details or click on a team member's workload to dive deeper into what they're working on. This makes it easy to rebalance work by reassigning tasks, adjusting deadlines, or planning ahead before things get overwhelming. Take a few minutes to explore this view and get comfortable with it. The more you use it, the better you'll get at spotting bottlenecks and managing your team efficiently. And that's it. You now know how to use the workload view in Clickup to stay on top of your team's capacity and keep your projects running smoothly.